Alright, no porta potty scenes here. Back today in the water, kayaking today with Eric from LoneStar YakFishing. Wind is about 16 miles an hour, so it's going to be a little windy, a little choppy. And it's coming out of the northeast right now, so we got a headwind paddling now. But hopefully we'll be able to duck in. Stopped and bought some live shrimp today. So we'll be being a little bit lazy, throwing some live shrimp in the morning. And then hopefully the wind will dissipate a little bit and we'll be able to hook up with some flounders and some trout, also soft plastics. So stay tuned and thanks for coming back. So, excuse my fingers. We are coming up on the spot up here. Got a little bit of soft shoulder before it drops down to deeper water. So hopefully I'll be able to hook up and find a trout. Kind of what I'm targeting on this side. So stay tuned. Nice blow-ups. Oh, that was somebody's grip. The first spot didn't do any luck. Trying to fish that shoulder, that drop. Saw some nice swirls and some movement in there, but didn't really produce any bites. So I was gonna fish the drain across from it, but some of the guys posted up there. So I'm gonna come over to this other drain. Not my first drain of choice over here, but what's this other drain and see if I could hook up. Oh, got it. Nope. Dang it. Yeah. He hit it hard. He's a little guy. And it's a whiting too. As hard as he hit it. Oh my God. I thought he got off because as soon as I turned him, he gave up. Phew, he stinks, bro. Oh my God, he stinks. He smells like a freaking bait bucket. He does. Oh my God, dude, you stink. My hands freaking reek, man. Oh my God, where have you been? Yeah, this little whiting just hit it like a pro. I mean, he turned my kayak. He hit the shrimp so hard. Man, this wind is just nuts today. You can catch anything in that second drain. Freaking, the clouds look beautiful. But you can catch anything in that second drain. So I'm gonna go across from these drains and fish this shoulder. Try to hit this drop off. But these winds are just, woo, nuts. Nuts, 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 nuts. Oh, there we go. Might be a stingray. It ain't freaking moving. I think a stingray. It don't want to move. I haven't seen it yet. Well, it's not pulling like a stingray now, but probably. Oh my God! The huge gaff top. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This thing is huge. That big old gaff top. Golly. Ain't nobody want you, dog. You so ugly. This is why Jonathan don't like fishing in the surf. All these gaff top in the surf. No. They're fun to catch, but they freaking are messy and dirty, man. Look at this big old belly. This is a huge specimen of a fish right here. He's heavy too. About 4 pounds, maybe. Oh, he almost took my lippers. Oh man. Really? Really? I just caught a shark.
Baby shark did do, baby shark did do, baby shark did do, baby shark.
I caught a hammerhead in here last year. Yeah. What they look like, they look a lot like a bonnethead. But yeah, this is a bonnethead. You could tell the curvature on his head. I wasn't, not that I'm an expert, but I couldn't tell the difference until I started looking them up, you know? Little bonnethead here. Things are always fun to catch and funner to release, in my opinion. All right. Get a good grip on them. Yeah, baby teeth, but they'll still hurt you. All right, let me get this little guy out of here. Little guy here. Let's switch hands. Yeah. Little guy. There he goes. Yeah, got that gill pretty good, but he should be okay. I feel like a black drum. Let's see. Like a little guy. But they got a little bit of pull to them. Little black guy. Black drum. Let him go. Be undersized. Probably about a foot. There we go. Another little guy. I wasn't recording. I don't know if you saw this fight or not, but I caught this 15 and a half inch spec. It's nice little chubby guy. I'm drifting now, so I'm gonna have to do this quick. Dude, the wind is so crazy right now. Just to try to fish is just nuts. Look at me. I'm trying to sit still so I can fish this this little inlet right here. And it's just, the wind is just so crazy. There's just no way I can fish this without setting anchor. It's just the angle, just at the perfect angle to make it hard. Try to fish this. See if I can set my anchor, see if it holds. And it is not holding. We are being drugged. And of course, this is the direction that we're going to be going to get back to the launch. So it's going to be quite a challenge. Yeah, so Eric and I, then we're just gonna head in. The wind just started coming out of the southeast, and right now it's not too bad, but that gust had to be around over 20 miles an hour. So I just spoke to him. He's over there. I know that getting back into the launch to the landing, we're gonna be heading south. So southeast winds at about gusting at 20, paddling and pedaling going to the south. That's not a good combination. So then we're gonna call it a day. Unfortunately, didn't put nothing great on the hooks today. I did catch a bonnethead shark, so that's always cool. It's always cool to catch a shark. You know, we caught it on live shrimp out here, and you know, not a whole lot of action as far as pulling stuff out of the water today. Had higher hopes today. The fishing forecast today was very high. I just think we just came out at the wrong location, wrong time. You know, we got out here and we had like 16-mile-an-hour winds, and we try to make the most of it. But there's really nothing to it today. You know, today would have been a much better, easier day to try to hit some of the higher end marshes where it's a little more protected by the winds, or even spent the day weight fishing. But you know, I wanted to get in the kayak. Hadn't been in the kayak all week, and Eric wanted to come out, so we try to make the most of it. But thank you guys, thank you all again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Until next time, see y'all back on the water very soon.